Hi, we're here again this month with Sam Allison, who's the regional manager of the UK for Wrangu. And again, we're asking him, what are you hearing from customers this week?
In a number of cases, we speak to clients and there's a real kind of concern about the level of time that it's going to take them during implementation to support the implementation of risk or security or the different tools that we're implementing on ServiceNow. And every organization is completely different. You might have one that's got lots of resource that can dedicate a lot of time to it and is going to, it might be a larger organization. But some of the organizations that we speak to, they want us to do the kind of heavy lifting on it and really guide them through that process. And we've developed a number of solutions around this, both for security and for risk, which are called Quickstarts. And for IRM, for instance, we've got a 5-week quick start where we can really take that pressure off the client. So they're not having to join numerous workshops and we're not doing that kind of requirement gathering side of things. But what we are providing is an industry standard best practice way of working based upon ISO 27001, where we can go in there, and what we're asking of the client is for them to fill in a template for their data that we can then use that within the configuration that we're doing. I think a lot of our clients have found this to be a massive relief because it can sometimes be quite daunting walking into that kind of IT transformation and implementing a new tool. And we've done over 300 implementations in this space, so we kind of know what a lot of the challenges we might come across when we do get to implement. And when we've been saying that and we've been speaking to clients about this solution that we're offering, I think a little bit of weight is maybe lifted from their shoulders to think we can get on with this quicker and we can really get value from the solution, within sort of 5-6 weeks of purchasing the licenses.
Right, so it's not only taking them to value faster, but it's also removing some of that initial complexity that they might have within their organization and the resource planning side of it.
Yeah, and I think it means that they can plan their days and they can continue working in their day jobs. And I think as people that work on in the world that we work, it's good to remember that everyone does have day jobs and they're not just going to dedicate their entire time to learning about ServiceNow and learning about the implementation. So it's really giving that flexibility and giving the permission for people to go ahead and get on with realizing value from their ServiceNow investment.
That's brilliant, Sam. I can see us doing a lot more quick starts as we go forward. And if anybody listening to this and watching this is interested in quick starts, please feel free to contact Sam, and the contact details follow. Thank you.